Hello. What is Principles of Management and what are you expected to know from this course? This course is an introduction to the discipline of management. It is designed to integrate the accepted theories in the area with real-world applications to provide students with basic knowledge and skills needed for managing others. The course begins with a discussion of the current issues in management and then proceeds to cover the functions of management, which are mainly four: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. It aims at helping students understand the needs of modern public and private organizations, including emerging national and international trends. Proper understanding of management principles is very necessary and helpful for managers, as these principles act as guidelines for managerial activities. By practicing principles, managers can avoid various mistakes while dealing with people in the organization and thus become more efficient. Management decisions will impact the success of a business, the health of its work environment, its growth, if growth is an objective, as well as customer value and satisfaction. The objectives of this course are many. Some of them are identifying the principles of managing formal organizations, recognizing the various challenges faced by today's managers, and giving examples of organizations engaging in the management functions of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. I hope you'll enjoy this course.